Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Tech Web Hack, and this video I'm going to show you all on how you can create a database. Now you need to know how to create an SQL database in order for you to put in certain information when you're installing the PHP scripts. Yes, this is very much needed if you want to install PHP script, and how you can also upload the database inside the folder, the database file. So the first thing you're going to do is you'll need to have a cPanel account. So to get a cPanel account, you just need to get a hosting plan and just click on login to cPanel. It automatically take you inside here, and you scroll down, are going to see what they call database wizard. So you click on database wizard over here, and you're going to fill this information. So this, I'm going to call it YouTube. I'm going to click next step, and I'm going to call this YouTube again. Now you can use any name, but I'm just using this for the sake of tutorial. You can use any name, like I said, but I'm just using it for the sake of tutorial. Then now password generator, make sure this password you copy it and save it. You open your notepad. I have my notepad available, so I just copy and I'm going to paste it over here. I'm going to save it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click create user. Now look over here. You can see this place. Going to come to this place. You copy it. You scroll down and you make sure you allow all privileges, and then you click next step. Now, what you copied, now you're going to paste it in your notepad, because you need to make sure that it's safe, and you're going to input those information later on. So what you need to do now is you head over to phpMyAdmin. So I'm just going to open link in new tab. So phpMyAdmin, you can see over here, I just created database. Now, as you can see here, I have a database table available right now. Yeah, I created two database table for um a website I was working on. So I'm just going to come over to this place. You can see that it's empty. This is empty. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on import, and I just upload my SQL database table inside the database that I created. So this is how to do it. Is how to import your database table inside the database you created. So if you want to export, you click on export, and the table is going to be exported. So let's say this now, I want to export it. All I just have to do is scroll down and I check all, and then I'm going to click on drop, and you can see on if I press yes, then it's gone. So I'm not trying to do that. So I'm just going to go here. You can see it's restored back to the first setting. So basically, this is how to create a database. MySQL database, this is how to create it. So if you have any question, please feel free to reach out to me. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share my video to those who are interested. And also drop in the comment section the type of videos you want me to create. In my next channel, I'm going to be addressing other type of videos in terms of PHP scripts and so on and so forth. So please don't forget to also reach out to me for your website development, your application development, and so on. We are available to get it up and running for you.